All right, today on Dad's Garage, we're going to be in Mom's kitchen. We're going to teach you how to create a wonderful little Filipino treat. And what we're going to do here is we're going to start with some pork belly. You can buy this at any Asian supermarket. Oh, look, the cat even thinks it smells good. You can buy this at any Asian supermarket. You can also pick this up sometimes at Walmart and some other things. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to start by slicing all of these pieces into about 3/4 inch strips. This is a really tasty treat. And it's quite simple to cook. Prep on this takes maybe 5 minutes. Okay. All right, and the next thing we're going to do is we're going to wash it. Okay, and then we're going to strain it, get the water off of it. Okay, and then we're going to wash it one more time. And then once more. Now, honey, do you know, is this a treat that other countries eat too, to your knowledge, or is it just Filipino? No? Is it mostly Asian countries, or what? Do you know?
Mostly Asian countries.
Mostly Asian countries. Okay, then we're going to knock the water off of it. And then we're going to sprinkle it with salt. And one thing I've learned about Filipinos, they do this, they don't measure anything. They don't set timers for anything. They don't measure anything. Almost like you see the professional chefs on TV. They don't really measure anything or time anything. They just know. Then we're going to pour some black pepper. So salt and black pepper, that's the only things you're going to put on here. And you're going to mix it around real good, get it coated real well with that salt and black pepper. Okay, then we'll be back in just a second to start cooking it. All right, we're outside now at the gas grill. This can be done inside too, but my wife prefers to do it out on the gas in a big aluminum wok from the Philippines, but it can be done in any kind of skillet. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to get that thing good and hot. Then you're going to go ahead and pour in all the contents. And then you're going to continue to work it with some sort of utensil. She has a couple of different type strainers with big long handles on them that she'll use. Really anything just to keep it moving though. Okay, so we're not going to put any oil or anything in here. It's actually going to cook with make its own oil with the fat. Similar to the way you would bacon. So we're going to keep doing this same process here for a while, and we'll catch back up in just a few minutes. All right, we're checking back in. It's been about 10 minutes, and we are still making progress. And we're just continuing to occasionally stir it. Yep. All right, we'll come back in about another 10 minutes and show you where we're at with it. All right, now we're 20 minutes in. It is really starting to smell super good.
No.
Got to watch out for that.
Yeah, that one, it was hot. Baby.
Didn't tell me this was going to be dangerous.
I want to tell you, but
Dang.
I'm gonna wait.
All right, we'll check back in just a little bit then.
See how much oil in there.
All right, now we're 30 minutes in.
Yeah.
Boy, it does make a lot of its own oil.
That's what I told you. You don't need no oil in there.
So this is a really simple thing to do. The biggest piece of it is it's time consuming because this part of it, cooking it, is just takes so long, and you just got to let it do its thing. And what did you say this was called? So it's the actual name of this then is Adobo Chino.
Yeah.
Gotcha. Very good. All right, we'll check back in another few minutes.
Yeah. Once you see they're almost done.
All right, so we're at 35-minute mark. It's really close to being finished. And what she was just telling me is you do cook this on high the entire time. And not the entire time. Until it gets to this point when it's almost complete. Then you need to cut the fire back to about medium so that it doesn't start to burn. And from here, what is it, 5 minutes or so? And it's something like that?
Yeah.
And at this point, you have to do a lot more stirring, making sure you're not burning, and keep it moving a lot more for the last 5 minutes or so.
Yeah. Some people like it just like the way it is, golden brown, but some people they like more like crispy.
I like it crispy.
Yeah, so I have to cook a little bit more because I like crispy also. See? Beautiful. Look at the oil. Because
Yep.
I never cooked enough oil.
It's cooking really starts getting going after about 20 minutes.
Yeah.
All right, we'll check back in at about 5 minutes, and we should be just about ready to wrap it up at that point.
This is ready.
All right, we're on the 40-minute mark, and it is complete.
Yeah, perfect.
Man, it smells so good. I love this stuff.
You just have to be patient.
Most of you all don't know me very well, but I am not a big Filipino food person. I'm not a person that is very experimental with foods. I pretty much needs to be pretty basic for me to like it. Oh my gosh, this is so good though. All right, next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna scoop it out with one of those strainers. Paper towels.
I should.
You want me to go get it?
Yeah, it's okay. Just leave it like that so do not burn.
Yeah, she forgot the paper towels, but that's okay.
Look at all the oil.
That's amazing how much it makes. All right, now we're gonna give it about 5 minutes to cool off so we don't burn our mouth, and then we will give her a taste. Yeah, let me get a picture. All right, here it is, done.
16 losses. He stands 5 feet 7 inches tall, weighing in at 154 and 1/2 pounds. Fighting out of Johnsburg, Illinois, presenting the UFC Hall
So delicious.
of Famer, Clay, the Carpenter Guida. And when the action begins, our referee in charge,
Wow.
Jason Herzog.
So good.
This is Jason Herzog. Vanessa Hansen getting us started for round one. Bobby Green, a -270.
Wow, it's so good. So on recap,
Green, a hard guy to out wrestle.
we get that meat, cut it in about 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch slices. She washes it 3 times. Then she puts salt and pepper on it. Takes it out, puts it in, you can use a skillet, wok, whatever, full heat for about 35 minutes. And then for the final 5 minutes, you're going to reduce the heat to about medium so it doesn't start to burn. And then you're gonna scoop it out, let it strain to get the excess oil off of it, and then let it set 5-10 minutes, and it is so delicious. So anyway, there we go. Brought you our first recipe. We told you this channel was going to be very unique and bring you all kinds of different things. This isn't just about tools or guns or cars. We're going to bring you everything, just life. So hope you enjoyed it, and thanks to my honey for for cooking it up for us. And now we got to call the kids because they're going to be just eating it up. So anyway, we will catch you on next time on Dad's Garage.